Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to swap faces in a photo for free using Google AI Studio. This is great if you want to have a little fun with pictures or try creative edits without expensive software. First, open your browser and go to aistudio.google.com. Sign in with your Google account, and from the dashboard, click on Generate Media. Next, upload the photo you want to edit. Once it's loaded, go to the text box and type a clear prompt like, swap the face of the person on the left with the person on the right, or replace this face with celebrity name's face. Click Generate and Google AI will process the image and make the swap look as natural as possible. If it doesn't look right the first time, just refine your prompt. For example, mouse swap faces but keep the lighting consistent. Or replace the face while keeping the same expression. Once you're happy with the result, click Download to save your new photo. And that's it. With Google AI Studio, you can swap faces for free in just a few clicks and get realistic results. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI tricks, and I'll see you in the next one.